You ready?
16 and 1.
All right, gentlemen, let's go. Fight.
Take it onside, Tuivasa. Buckle up, Tuivasa in green, Pavlovich in white.
But that's it until this fight finishes. But Pavlovich hits like a monster.
Oh!
Aston Lewis!
Early knockdown for Pavlovich.
If Tuivasa's smart, he would try to clinch.
Oh, another knockdown for Pavlovich. Oh, what a monster. That's gonna do it. How about it, Sergey Pavlovich? 17 up and 1 down.
He has so much belief in that power.
Devastating power. But it's clean, he's not brawling, he's not swinging.
And once you are getting hit with those multiple times, it's over. Another Sergey Pavlovich washout. Unbelievable.
By knockout, Sergey Pavlovich.